Brittany with WTI, and you definitely don't want any of your dishes sitting wet where mildew and mold can start growing and contaminating your family. And that's why I really like this Homaxy drying towel. This is made of 100% natural cotton. I love the weave of it, the texture. It does a really good job not only wiping off, but also absorbing the water. I think it is such a handy thing to have in your kitchen. I particularly like this nice, well-sewn red loop that is on the corner of this towel because it's easy to install a hook near the kitchen sink. I also love taking this when we go camping. We have a little collapsible dish rack, and I just put a little carabiner on the side of it and hook the dish rag to there. And now out in the wilderness, I can wash my dishes and dry them and put them away to make sure that there are no food remnants on it. So I think this is a great thing to have. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It comes in a pack. So when one gets dirty, you can just take it, wash it, and then you can pull another one out. No big deal. It's so useful. It's so easy. And that's my point of view.